I have 3 different styles of Sortimo or Bosch Toolbox Clip sets. This set here requires 6 flatheads, and the clip is made out of ABS plastic. This set of clips is made in England, and I believe it's made out of PLA, and it has 3 screws that hold it in place. And then this is a low profile version that was also bought from England and is made out of PLA, I believe. And you see that? So the toolbox can mount in this location like that, location here, or it can mount in this location. These low profile ones are a little bit harder to get on, I guess. There we go. Now it's mounted on the low profile, so it can mount in 3 different locations. Got the 3 different brackets. They've been sitting in the sun now for almost an hour, and we're going to take my digital multimeter that has a thermocouple probe and measure what the temperature of things are. Let's get this. Okay. Okay, so we've got the probe touching the plastic. It'll take it a little bit to stabilize. It appears that the plastic's at about 60 C. This is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon in mid-August in Texas. So just to give you an idea of how warm the inside of a truck is, we'll put this in here. Okay. So the inside of my truck appears to be got a little bit of loose connection in my thermocouple. Okay. Appears the inside of the truck is close to 50 C. This is a white truck. A darker vehicle would probably be warmer still. So okay, we have a digital scale that goes up to 300 pounds. Okay, bring it in close to where you can see that. Okay, so I'm going to pull. It looks like it broke at about 30 pounds. So looking at the failure, the low profile ones, there just isn't enough cross-sectional area to carry much load, and plus it didn't help that the part wasn't printed solid. It looks like it's only got about 2 perimeters and maybe 15 to 20% infill, and it broke. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Okay, please reposition this side over here.
Same video.
Yes, don't stop it. Okay, this is the 3-screw English one. It broke at about 50 pounds. break. Didn't actually break, just became loose. Let's try to give it another shot. Okay. Actually won't. Well, come in close on this. So I tighten the screws down again, and we're pulling, and it broke at 63 pounds. Now on the other one that failed at about 60 pounds, the part didn't actually break, but what happened is, if you look here, is the part deformed right here, and so the part bent out of the way, and then the toolbox could come out of it at about 60 pounds. Go to the 6 screw. Got that. Let's pull on it. Okay. And we're pulling in excess of 180 pounds, and it still hasn't broken. So I'm going to try again on my design and see how high we can go. Okay. We're at 190, 200 pounds. This is all the power I can pull. And then the parts that held over 200 pounds beyond what I could lift, the clip did not lift off of the plywood, and there was no evidence of damage on the catch areas of the clip. So, just for your information, that's the difference between my clips and the ones that are being sold out of England.